Building an emergency lighting system with an Arduino is really easy. It only requires a few components. All you need is an Arduino, a relay, a battery, a resistor, and some LEDs. You can use any LED color you like, but I'm going with red because it's more energy efficient, which helps extend battery life. Red light also preserves your night vision, which is really useful if you ever need to move around in dark, unlit areas. The first thing you want to do is connect your jumper wires to the relay. Then you connect the relay's jumper wires to the Arduino. The positive pin on the relay connects to the 5-volt pin on the Arduino. Negative on the relay goes to GND. The relay's S pin goes to pin 11. It could be any one of the pins, but 11 is the one I have set in my code. The next thing you want to do is connect the positive of your battery to the middle terminal on the back of the relay. Then you connect a jumper that isn't connected to anything to the relay terminal that says NC next to it. NC is normally closed, meaning that power can flow only when there is no power going to the relay. Once you put the wires in the terminals, tighten the screws. Now you want to put your resistor in the breadboard. For my 3.7 volt battery, I am using a 220 ohm resistor. Then connect the not connected wire on the relay to the resistor. After that, connect the LEDs. Plug the positive pin on the LED to the same rail as the resistor. And finally, connect a wire to the negative of the LEDs and connect that wire to the negative on the battery. The code that I am using is super simple. You just use the bare minimum sketch, go to the void setup and state the pin that you're using, and in void loop, you tell that pin to turn on. Now it's time to simulate a power outage. I will turn off the power strip connected to my Raspberry Pi that the Arduino is connected to. It works. When the Arduino lost power, the relay went out, causing it to close the circuit with the battery and the LEDs. Now let's turn power back on. The emergency light is still on because it takes some time for the Pi to boot. If you want to level up your emergency light, you can connect a string of LEDs to it. Let's see if it works. Power just cut, red backup's on. The whole little area is lit now. If you would like to see more DIY projects and experiments, click the playlist on the left. Also, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and comment down below what you want me to build next.